Please, I actually part 50-50 agree ako doon sa kanya. Well, we have our own opinion, right? And attorney has his own opinion about this.
Well, obviously, sinunod ko siya.
Well, he got law.
But you know, hindi nga, yun naman ay payo. So, nasa atin naman yung kung susundin natin. I'm lucky to have the best of both worlds, but not everyone has that privilege, di ba? And ako, if you want to become a musician, a full-time musician, and you're good at it, why not? These people, si Joseph Cruz, of the Cruz clan, imagine, lahat sila musicians, di ba? Since Tears of Cruz, talagang musicians na sila. It's na yun na yung line ng entertainment sa family. Wala akong nakikita masama. You know, what's important is you know the best of your abilities, you recognize kung saan ka best, and you know what your heart dictates. So pag nagtabla yung dalawang yun, kung confused ka, ibang usapan naman yun. Right?
Well, based on my experience, yeah, it's very hard. Jose Marich, I partly agreeing on Jose Marichal's statement. You know, I've been there before, right? We all did. The pandemic and all. Sa akin, nawalan ako ng trabaho and lost everything. I bankrupt o ganyan. Kasi I don't know what to do because I'm a musician. I'm a full-time musician, and what else could I do? And I don't have a corporate work back then, so. Yeah, and same then sa mga, kasi I've been in the band for quite some time now, and I've seen so much in the band scene, like marami dyan tumutugtog for like 500 pesos lang. We all know that, right? So, hindi lahat is pantay-pantay sa music scene. I mean, merong mainstream like sila Zildjian, sila Four of Spades, like they're very blessed because music, they do music and then kumikita sila malaki. And then there is this in the middle na who is for like us, for example, we do gigs at Hard Rock and good venues, 19 East, and the pay is good, yeah. And merong iba na yung talagang talagang less fortunate na hindi talaga kasi 500 lang kinikita for 50. So how kahit tumugtog ka ng 5 beses or complete the week, nagtugtog ka ng tig 500 pesos, it's gonna hindi yun sapat. I mean, lalo na madami din nagkamali sa music na they had a family na bubuhayin. So ang ginagawa nila is music. So mahirap talaga. Kasi I have my experience din also na mayroon ding banda na nagsabi sa akin na the kids wanted to do music, to follow their father. The father is a drummer. So, the advice nung father, sabi niya, mag-aral kayo. You have to do, hindi lang naman si Jose Marichal, pati yung kausap ko drummer niya. Sabi niya, magtrabaho kayo. Pag nag-graduate kayo, magtrabaho kayo, sa akin magbanda. Hindi niya pwedeng gawing income yung banda.
By the way, Sir Netexon, yung guitarist namin, he has a construction business.
Yayamanin!
So pag nakita niyo yung building na tabi niya ngayon, dahil nandito siya.
Yayamanin!
Yeah.
Yun. So, in our case, actually, to be honest with you, hindi naman kami ni Rene and the originals, may mga day jobs, it's more passion. And we'd love to hang out with these people. They are amazing musicians. Mga kasama ko. It's good to hang out with them. Masaya akong kasama sila.
Okay. Isang tanong na lang. Naniniwala ba kayo sa sinasabi ng iba na namamatay o patay na ang Philippine music industry?
Hindi. Kasi in fact, this is one of the best eras. You know why? Kasi tayo pa nga lang, nandito tayo, di ba? So how many like us nagagawa nito? And yung mga banda ngayon, they didn't need the radio para sumikat. They have YouTube and Facebook online, and they can upload their own music without going through the main companies, di ba? With yung mga mainstream. Tapos yung, like my sons, they're into bands, amateur bands. They have gigs every week, parang it's 90s all over again. So buhay na buhay at nabubuhay at lalong mabubuhay.
Hindi mo natin. Kasi
ng wish.
Pag online kasi, puro online, paano yung kita?
Yun lang talaga. But, siguro, in due time, makakahabol din eh. You know, the technology is there. We just have to take advantage of that. Kasi online, yung kita it will follow, I'm sure. Kasi pag sumikat naman, shows will come in. Diba? Guestings will come
Money will
in.
follow.
Yun lang naman yan eh.
And for, kailangan pa ba?
Mas madali nga ngayon. Dati kailangan mong mag-TV para ka makita eh. No?
Well,
Facebook page lang, YouTube.
Well, actually, ang music, Tony, parang ano eh, parang fashion. It's paiba-iba eh. Well, I experienced the rotation of the music, no? Parang dito sa Pilipinas, yung 90s era na wala, and then there goes the techno, there goes the EDM, there goes the K-pop.
Yun ang
Alright.
acoustic, di ba? Nawala yung band.
Yeah. Yun yung mga kinalaunan. Tapos ngayon, K-pop na ang era. So, ngayon, nakikita ko yung mga tao nagsasawa na rin. Yung mga Pinoy, siyempre, nagsasawa na rin sa K-pop. So, why, ngayon, nakikita ko yung mga Pilipino, why not encourage OPM again? So, I can see that OPM is rising again. Our music is rising again as our local bands are rising again. Kamikaze, nandiyan na sila ulit. I mean, like Urban Dub na nag-disband na, they're
Even yung
here
mas
again.
luma, nakakatuwa, you know, yung mga
Neo Colors.
sikat. Nagsushow ulit sila.
Yeah, Neo
nakakatuwa,
Colors
diba?
is back.
Guys like Santiago nagtutour, Freestyle is back, Siley is still there. Ano pa ba? Sila Runner Himuto, they're doing shows. Even 70 super band sa Pagita. Diba? Nakikita natin sila, napupuno nila yung venue as large as Newport Resorts World.
Apo, meron sila sa US.
Apo. So, sila nagtutour. So, mukhang
Yeah,
mukhang
it's
hindi
back.
lang yung bagong banda or artists, kahit the old ones.
And I would like to thank the new generation of music because they lead this OPM again, di ba? Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, Dr. sila Lola Amor, Sunkist Lola,
Dilaw.
Dilaw. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi babalik ang
Of
OPM.
course, yung reunion ng Eraserheads.
Of course.
Mas marami pang nanood kaysa sa foreign artists, di ba? It started from...
So, yeah, you can see it's rising again. It's panahon na ulit ng OPM song.
So, ang namamatay lang yung bulsa.
Okay, libreng follow.
Of
Yung
course.
follow naman.
Of course.
Okay,
Thank you, Rodel. Actually, P-pop is rising din eh. SB na.
Kay Angelo?
Of course.
Oo.
Kay Angie.
Parang,
Hindi.
parang ano na focus. Parang nilalandi.
Hindi. May nagpapatanong kung tested ka na
Okay.
daw.
Taken? No, not yet.
Rodel. Hindi. Si
Oh, by
Rodel.
the way, Angelo is single.
Yeah.
Single.
Our drummer
Rodel,
Joseph is
single.
single. Our bassist Alvin is single.
We called ourselves the Unlovables.
Ay, gano'n.
No, I'm just kidding.
Pero
It's a
Angelo,
joke.
you're also good looking. Hindi mo ba naisip na mag-artista na? Tsaka may mga nag-offer na ba kasi parang si Jesus Christ yung...
Yeah, I did Jesus Christ Superstar.
Ay, talaga?
I did a musical, pero Tagalog version siya ng Jesus Christ Superstar. Way back 2019. Yeah, teatro.
So maglalandiin ha.
Hindi ka ba na person na ng glata ng Jesus Christ?
Hindi. Ayoko na lang mag-talk. Hindi naman, kasi maayos naman yung pagpe-perform ko ng gano'n. Theater yun eh. So,
Oo. So, nag-theater ka na pala. In a way, naisip mo bang pasukin din talaga yung showbiz?
actually, parang when you do music, parang lagi may kakambal yan na isa pa eh. So like photography, cinematography, or whatever, painting, di ba? Ang artist laging ganun. Parang ADHD, laging may kakambal na sakit, di ba? So, ayan. For me, since I'm doing this since high school, I mean, yung band and music and theater at the same time, so I'm doing it over and over again. It's part na sa akin yun eh. I mean, kung merong artista, ganyan, so pwede naman ako umarte, marunong naman. Depende sa role, siyempre hindi ko. Baka mamaya Viva Max.
Hindi, because series.
By the way, guys, we're coming up with the music video. Kasabay sa September 24 yung launch talaga, di ba? And sabay ng music video na isasayaw kita. You can see him acting, he's really good.
Wow.
Thank you.
Baka natin yung music video na yun.
Yeah, yun.
But
Yeah,
Viva
kasi
Max,
personal.
hindi ka pwede.
No, actually, meron akong experience. Can I share this to you?
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
I tried to audition sa CCP, tama ba? PICC, CCP. CCP, ay parang ganon. I tried to audition. Wala lang. I'm just bored that day, and sabi nung maawak sa akin dati, sabi niya, merong audition sa ganito, ganyan. Try mo lang. Nagte-theater ka, baka namimiss mo umarte. Kasi punta ako. I saw a lot of long line. I mean, thousands of people like auditioning. So ayan, dipila ako, simula umaga, hanggang tanghali, hapon. So hapon, gagabi na, magsi-6 na. Saka ako naka-audition dun sa... So ayan, nakuha ako for 3 indie films. Alright, so tapos merong isang film doon, kinuha talaga ako, pinag-screening na ako, binigay na yung script. Nag-script ginawa na namin yung script.
Script reading.
Script reading, yeah, tama. Script reading. Tapos, it turns out, sabi ko, parang iba. I was like, the scene is, merong nagagawa ng paso, na which is babae. So, tapos, I will go there, pupuntahan ko siya, tapos ididikit ko siya sa pader. Then, sabi ko parang, teka nga. Sabi ko, parang iba yata ito ah. Sabi ko parang, ayaw po, ganyan po talaga yun. Sabi niya, ganun ba? Sabi ko, oh my God, parang 50 Shades of Grey, parang ganun eh. And hindi ko pa kaya yung ganyan siguro. Next time siguro.
And guys, dapat nyo siya mapanood when he impersonates Freddie Mercury. Freddie Mercury of Hard Rock Cafe.
Saka ano nga sa 24
Yeah, you should go. The 16. Next week, meron kaming Queen Night ulit sa Hard Rock. 13. Ano yung 16? Grabe, 16. 13 pala, 13.
Ayun na pala eh.
You should go. Well, kahit libre ko pa ng ticket, alright?
Okay, thank you!
May last question pa ako.
Ay, kala ko.
My last question is, kasi di ba, parang comfortable ka na talaga sa banda kasi may mga banda rin tayong kilala na umalis sila at nag-solo sila like sila Nico Blanco, si Eddie Buendia. Hindi mo ba naisip na mag-solo?
Actually, nung una when I'm doing my originals na, tinutugtog ko siya sa live, solo lang talaga ako nun eh. Until nag-reunite kami nitong namamong na itong mga taon to. And then nag-reunite na kami. So, actually, Attorney Ray, plano rin niya sa akin is solo eh. Nung the first leg nung ginagawa namin last year. So, plano niya, mag-solo ako, gano'n. So, we, the song to some songwriting competition. So, I'm not gonna name it. So, ayun, inantay namin yung result. So kasi sabi niya, since magsisolo ka naman, since solo artist ka talaga, antayin na natin yung songwriting competition. Kapag nanalo ka, alright, we will let go of you. Pag hindi ka nanalo or hindi ka natanggap, sige, gawin, saka tayo.
Alam niya na resulta kasi nandito siya.
Well, hindi ako nanalo. Kasi, nandito na ako ngayon. So, ayun, sabi niya, alright, plan B, let's do this. Alright, September, let's go. Ayan, ito na. So, ayan, ito na nga, nangyayari na, it's moving.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.